Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a vinyl graphic using Inkscape. First thing, select this tool, holding down the control key. Let's create a circle, something like this. Make sure we have black color. Next, Control D to duplicate this and go to this tool, and I'm going to paste a code here, this one for this color. You can write this code down, 1C1515FF, and then I'll hold down the Control and Shift key and make this smaller to something, let's say like this. Next, Control D to duplicate again and change the color to black and make this smaller. Let's undo that, holding down the Shift and the Control key to, let's say, something like this. Then Control D to duplicate again and change the color to this orange here. Make this more like this. Control D to duplicate again, white color, make this more something like this. Zoom in here, and for stroke I'll select this option, and stroke style I'll enter 1.8, and stroke paint I'll edit here, find an orange color, a dark orange color, something like this, and I can use the gradient tool to edit this a little bit, something, let's say, like this. Let's zoom out. Now next I'll create another circle here, make the color black, close this, remove the fill, and for stroke click on flat color, make sure that color is black. Actually, let's undo that. From here we can see that the color is black. Now let's grab this, make it bigger, and click on this object here with holding down the Shift key, and with the Align tool we're going to align them like this. Let's click on this one again, close this, stroke style, and let's reduce this to 0.7 to make it a little bit less thick, and holding down the Shift and the Control key I'll make this bigger again, put it over here, Control D to duplicate, and then make it smaller. Again I'll duplicate, and I'll repeat this. Okay, so next let's grab this tool here and create something like this. Make sure we have a fill with white color, and for stroke let's remove the stroke. Grab this tool, select all these nodes and add some more nodes, and then start adjusting them a little bit. Now I'm gonna create a little bit more nodes over here. And adjust them a little bit like this. Now next thing, here for blur, let's enter 10, and for opacity 85. Click on that, and also click on this radio gradient. And now let's send this. Actually, let's duplicate this before we send it anywhere. Move this one over here. Click again on this one and send it all the way down. Then I'm going to send it 2 steps up, just something like this. And now I'll find this one here. Okay, and I'll make it smaller, holding down the Control and Shift key again. Make it something like this, and move this over here. Let's zoom in a little bit. See how this looks. So that's basically it. And if this helped, like the video, subscribe, share it, and that's it for now. Bye.